Hi. So far you have learnt how to count from 1 till 10. You also learnt how to write them and count numbers on your fingers. We saw few examples where we counted number of apples, number of balls, and so on. In this video, I will present few more counting examples. You need to practice all these examples to understand counting very well. Okay, so you are familiar with these numbers and fingers diagram. Now I will bring few examples, and in all these examples we need to write missing numbers. I'm sure you should be able to do it. Okay, so here is our first example. In this example you need to count from 1 till 5 and see which number comes after 5. You can use your fingers to count numbers as well as the number shown above. I will refer this number scale. See here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And after 5, 6 comes. So, in the blank field, number 6 will come. Now, let us move to next example. In this example also, we need to write missing numbers. But this is little tricky. You need to write numbers which come before 5 and after 7. Let us refer the numbers here. Number 5 is given in the example, and we need to identify the number before 5, that is 4. And after 5 we have 6 and 7. Now see which number is after 7. So after 5 we have 6, we have 7, and we need to identify the number which comes after 7, which is 8. So in the blank space before 5 we have 4 and after 7 we have 8. Okay, here I will give you one exercise. Have you tried counting in reverse order? For example, start from number 10 and count backward till number 1. Try this, it will be fun. Okay, we come to our next example. Similar one, here also we need to write the number which comes after 7 and before 9. In other words, we can say that we need to identify a number which is in between 7 and 9. Refer the numbers above. So we need to find out a number between 7 and 9, and we have number 8. So here I will write 8, and we also need to find out number which comes after 9. After 9 we have 10. So I will write 10 here. This is the answer, 8 and 10. Okay, one more example. I'm sure you can solve it. Okay, so in this example, we need to find out the number which comes after 1 and before 3. In other words, we need to find out the number which comes between 1 and 3. Refer these numbers. So we have 1 here, we have 3 here. In between 1 and 3, we have 2. Let us write it down. After that we have 3, then 4, there is a blank space, and after that there is 6. Same way we need to find out the number which comes between 4 and 6. Refer the numbers diagram. We have 4 here, we have 6 here. In between we have 5. Write it down. Then same way we need to find out number between 6 and 8. Between 6 and 8, that is 7. We will write 7 here. So the numbers are from 1 till 8. We completed this exercise, but don't forget to practice more such examples. Let us move to next page. Okay, this is our first example. It says that look at each of the boxes and identify number of bottles in box 5. This is similar to previous exercise, but this time we have images. Let us count bottles in each box. So in the first box we have 1 bottle. In the second box we have 1, 2 bottles. In the box 3 we have 1, 2 and 3 bottles. In box 4 we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 bottles, and after that we need to find out number of bottles in box 5. Look at this number series. We are increasing 1 bottle in each box. First we had 1, then we had 2, after that 3, 4, and after 4 it will come 5. 5 will come. So number of bottles in the last box should be 5. So bottles in box 5 will be 5. Now we have one more example. In this question also we need to identify number of flowers in box 3 and number of flowers in box 6. For this we need to count number of flowers in all other boxes, and after that we will check which number is missing. Let us write number of flowers present in each box first. In box 1 we have 1 flower. In box 2 we have 2 flowers. After that we need to find out number of flowers in box 3. After that in box 4 we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 flowers. In box number 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 flowers. After that we need to find out number of flowers in box 6. I'll keep it blank. And in box 7 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 flowers. After writing all the flowers, it becomes very simple to find the number of flowers in box 3 and box 6. In box 3 we need to find out the number which is after 2 and before 4. Or we need to find out the number which is between 2 and 4. Refer this number diagram. We have 2 here, we have 4 here, and the number which comes between 2 and 4 is 3. We will have 3 flowers in box 3. Same way in box 6, we need to find out the number between 5 and 7. Locate it on the number line. We have 5 here and we have 7 here. And the number which comes between 5 and 7 is 6. So we will have 6 flowers in box 6. Flower in box 3 is equal to 3. Flowers in box 6 is equal to 6. Okay, in this video we learnt about numbers and how to identify a missing number. We also saw numbers before and after any particular number through few examples. In next video, we will learn more about numbers. In description of the video, I have added links to participate in online quizzes and download few study materials. Thank you for watching.